Hi, I am Nadeem Siddique.
Hi, I am Poonam Siddique. We have two lovely daughters, Sania and Maira, studying at GIIS SMART Campus, Balewadi. We are glad that Balewadi is now a smart campus. The school is taking a leap into the digital future by making the right changes to the way it imparts education. With digital classroom, my child is getting the right kind of knowledge in the right environment, which makes me happy. I see that our daughters are being more interactive in their class and come home happy. They bring the happiness to the home, which is evident from the way they are approaching studies now. It is no longer boring or tedious, but fun and interactive. The understanding at a faster pace and deeper level. For them, smart devices are now a platform for exploring more, learning more. This self learning and eagerness to know more is a joy to see.
Smart technology is everywhere, and if a school is using technology in education, we can only imagine how well prepared my child will be in digitalized world. Right from the word go, while their peers are still catching up, they have already crossed the finish line. We would love to see our children make good use of facilities in the GIIS Smart Campus Balewadi and take ample advantage of the opportunities available here to excel not just in academics but in non-academics part of learning as well.